Good morning, Miss Fina. Sorry for disturbing your time. I would like to make an appointment with you. Are you available on Thursday?
Good morning. Oh, I'm sorry, I won't be able on Thursday.
Would Friday suit you, Miss?
Friday? Let me check my schedule first. Okay, Friday is fine, but I'm free only for 2 to 4. What time work out for the best?
3 o'clock would be the best time. Then, where should I meet you, Miss?
I will busy working at my office. Just meet me there. If I'm not in my desk, you know where my desk is, right?
Yes, Miss. I know. It's in room 1, right on the middle.
No, my desk has been moved to room 3. It's right to the next window. There is my name on it.
Ah, okay, Miss. Got it.
Alright, see you on Friday.
See you on Friday, Miss. Thank you.